Hey everybody! Hey everybody, it's me, Madison. So today I'm going to do a cleanup video, and here's them. I'm going to only do these two. And these are drugstore foundations, so yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with this side. And so these are not even open yet, so we're going to keep all these Wet n Wild cushion foundations. And then we just got these. These are the Cat foundations. And we're going to keep this. We just got that. Here's what it looks like. It doesn't match, so we're going to get rid of it. We're going to keep this. We're going to get rid of this because it's like a Shaughnessy foundation. It's not that good. We're going to get rid of this one because it doesn't match. We're going to keep this one. This is the Fit Me foundation, and we are going to get rid of this one because it's old. We're going to get rid of this one because it's old. We're going to get rid of this one because it's almost empty and it's not my color. So I really don't remember these two, so I'm gonna keep them and then test them out in a video. It's another Benefit Fit Me. We're gonna get rid of it because it's old. It's a Maybelline. This is a Sonia Kashuk one. We're gonna get rid of it because it's old. We're gonna get rid of this one because it's old. It's the same thing as the other one. Two Wet n Wild ones. We are gonna keep these because these are amazing. So we're going to keep the darker one. The lighter one is too light. The Flower Beauty one. Here's the LA Girl Color Matte, and this is old, and it doesn't match. And there's more Wet n Wild ones. We're going to keep them. And then we got the Maybelline 24 Hours. These are new, so we're going to keep them. We're going to keep all the cushion foundations since they're good. Coquine Wet n Wild. We're going to get rid of this LA Colors one. The LA Girl Pro BB Cream. We're going to get rid of it because it's old. And the Ulta foundation. And we're going to get rid of it because it doesn't match. We're going to get rid of it because it's not that good. We're going to get rid of this one because it's just old and I don't like the squeeze. This one we're going to get rid of because it's not that good. This one we're going to get rid of because it's old. This one is a concealer and it's kind of dark. So we're going to get rid of it. This one has like liquid growing on the top of it, so we're going to get rid of it. And it's hard candy. Oh, I broke one of them, so. This is a Revlon like Insta Ready, and I broke one of them. So I'm going to get rid of that one. We're going to get rid of it because it's like not my shade. There's a stick foundation. We're gonna keep this. It looks pretty good. CoverGirl True Blend. This doesn't match. Another LA Girl, and there's like liquid on the top, so it doesn't match. This is another flower, and look at that. This is a nasty one. And then here, this one is really nasty. So we're going to get rid of this one because it's just old. This one, I don't like the squeeze and the color. This one, I don't like the squeeze because it's like a brush. This one's another e.l.f. and it's like a foundation serum. So we're going to keep it. And then we have a CoverGirl one, and this one doesn't match, so we're going to get rid of it. Next we have a Milani one, and we are going to keep it. Next we have a liquid coverage from Catrice, and it doesn't match, so we're going to get rid of it. Next we have a NYX one, and this one doesn't match, so we're going to get rid of it. Next we have a Super BB Insta Ready by Physicians Formula. So this is old, we're going to get rid of it. We have an LA Girl Pro BB Cream. We're going to keep it. Now we have a L'Oreal Paris one, and this one's old. And the LA Girl that's like has liquid on the top, so we're gonna get rid of it. This is old, so we're gonna get rid of it, and so is this one. So here's the one ones I kept, and then here's the one I got rid of, and we made a pretty, it's like half and half, so yeah. So remember to always go through your makeup because you don't want to be putting something that's like really old on your face because that's nasty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Bye!